Bash remembers every command you run, and history expansion lets you reuse that memory instead of retyping. An exclamation point is the trigger. Bash expands the shorthand into the full text from your history before executing anything. Event designators pull entire commands from your past. Repeats the previous command verbatim, the classic fix for a forgotten sudo. String reruns the most recent command starting with that prefix, and $grabs just the last argument, perfect for chaining operations on the same file or directory. Word designators let you pick specific pieces of a recalled command. Caret grabs the first argument, $grabs the last, 2 grabs the second word, and kissing face grabs every argument. This is how you surgically extract just the part you need without retyping anything. For environment variables, control how history behaves. HISTFILE is where history gets saved, defaulting to /bash_history. HISTSIZE is the in-memory count, HISTFILE is the on-disk count, and HISTCONTROL filters what gets recorded with options like ignore space, ignore dups, ignore both, and erase dups. Modifiers tweak what gets expanded. P prints the expanded command without running it, giving you a safe preview. S/old/new/ substitutes text within the recalled command, and the caret form *old *new is a quick shortcut for replacing the first match. History expansion can be turned off with set+H and back on with set+H. This is essential inside scripts, where an exclamation point in a string might otherwise get expanded into garbage. Always disable expansion in shell scripts to keep your text literal. 2 habits keep history expansion safe. First, wrap any literal exclamation point in single quotes, so it stays as text instead of triggering expansion. Second, append P to preview dangerous commands like rm, rf before they execute. The expansion is shown but never runs. You confirm, then press enter on the real deal. Bash keeps a running history of every command you type, and history expansion lets you reuse those commands without retyping them. The 2 most powerful shortcuts are which reruns the previous command in full, and which grabs just the last argument of the previous command. Mastering these saves serious time when you're iterating on a workflow. Let's start with a clean slate. The clear command wipes the visible scrollback, so we have an uncluttered window to demonstrate history expansion in. Now we run our first command. Typing echo followed by first command just prints that text back to the terminal. Bash stores this entire command line in its history the moment it runs. Next, we run a second command. Echo second command prints its argument, and now Bash holds 2 entries in its history, the previous command and this one. Let's confirm what's actually in our history with this command. History pipes the full history list into head-5, which grabs just the first 5 entries so we can see how Bash is numbering our runs. Here's where earns its keep. Typing. At the prompt re-expands into the previous command, history head-5, and re-executes it instantly. No retyping, no risk of typos in that long pipeline. Now $4. After running echo second command, the last argument is second command. Type echo, and Bash pulls in that last argument, so the expanded command becomes echo second command, and prints the same value again. This is perfect when you want to reuse a path, file name, or ID without retyping it.